I like espresso. So, it's gorgeous, great to drink, tasty, many flavors, and Italian loves it. So, why are we sitting in this mess? Because we're making some crazy pizza today! Again! Haha, yeah! So we're making pizza from coffee. I already prepared basic coffee. And we will make classic Neapolitan pizza from this. So we will use coffee instead of water. And we will see what will happen. Coffee is really cool drink, so 120 grams. Just a little bit of salt. Tiny bit of oil, just a tiny bit. So active dry yeast as always. I don't know why Italians not making pizza from coffee. They like coffee, they like pizza. You see, awesome. It's just nice coffee, classic Napolitan pizza from coffee. Oh my god, guys, it's crazy what we're doing today. So dough has come together really easy. Let's finish it by hands, tiny bit. So a little bit rest for 1 hour, or maybe like 2 hours in container and proof it. Okay, so this is what we have. Okay, let's find. It looks strange. So let's make ball and cover it. Okay, ball is ready. Let's make pizza. You see, yeah, why Italians don't make pizza from this? It's gorgeous. You see, it's awesome pizza. It's awesome pizza crust. It's nice color. It smells like coffee. I don't know, Napoli style. Let's go. Some Napoli moves. Making pizza. Yes. Some sauce, some cheese. We need some cheese too. And I don't want too much cheese. I want to see what will happen in 10 minutes. See you guys. Look at this. Awesome. Have you seen beautiful pizza? Just like this. Oh my god, coffee, espresso pizza. Okay, beautiful. Let's try out. This is so awesome. This crust so beautiful. So it's kind of, bready style. Bready, very soft, not crunchy, just soft. Okay. So let's try it. It's just worst. Just this is just, guys, this is disgusting. Disgusting. I don't know. It looks so amazing, like, best pizza in the world, but it tastes like dirt. It's typically like dirt,